Hi everyone, today we would like to introduce our website functionality and now start from registration.
Right now, I would like to discuss my part. On the registration page, users can securely create an account to access personalized features of the Herbarium website. After filling out the registration form with details like username, first name, last name, email, and password, the backend processes the data using PHP. It validates inputs, securely hash the password, and store the data in a MySQL database via the connection.php script. Once registration is complete, users are seamlessly redirected to the homepage using PHP header function, ensuring a smooth transition. The registration system integrates with the logic functionality, enabling secure authentication for the future visits. The login PHP script validates user credentials against the database, ensuring only authorized access. By combining the robust PHP logic with the secure MySQL database, the registration system ensures a user-friendly, safe, and efficient process. This approach highlights the importance of data security and functionality, enhancing the overall user experience on the platform. So this form has been completed after register. It will skip to the homepage. Thank you.
Develop the login functionality for the Herbarium Universal website. The password login allow user to securely log in using their username and password. I implemented the login verification in login process.php, which uses prepared statements to prevent SQL injection and password hashing for security. This ensures that user credentials are protected. The system distinguishes between admin and regular users with role-based access managed through PHP sessions. Admins are redirected to a dashboard with features like user management, handling contributions and inquiries, while regular users access basic functionality and are led to the homepage after logging in. I also designed the Herbarium database, including tables for user registration and admin credentials. Admin passwords are securely hashed using password hash and SQL queries, ensure safe data storage and retrieval.
Welcome to the plant identification feature on our web page. On the Identify page, you can easily upload a photo of the plant you want to identify. After you upload your photo, the Identify process begins with our backend leveraging the Plant ID API. This API uses powerful machine learning model to analyze your plant photo in detail, adding features like leaf shape, plant characteristic, and color pattern. It then compares these characteristics against its extensive database of plant species to determine potential match. Once the Plant ID API returns its match, our backend takes the next step. We cross-reference the API's result with our internal plant database, allowing us to provide you with enriched information beyond the basic identification. This includes scientific classification, common and scientific names, and additional description that might help you understand the plant better. The results are then passed to View Identify PHP, which present everything in an easy-to-read format. You will see the plant common and scientific names, classification, and even image, so you can visually verify the match. Now let me show you how the web page works. This will be the result, and thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Prudencia, and I'll be talking about the functionality of the inquiry page. This page allows users to send any inquiries they may have regarding our website's content or general questions on herbarium preservation. The user enters their details, and the data is processed using server-side scripts which access the submitted data through the method post, allowing fields data to be processed, which performs validation, sanitization, and storage in the Herbarium database. The inputted data is sanitized before storing in the database to avoid cross-site scripting and SQL injection, enhancing users' data safety and privacy. This also ensures that the data is in a consistent and standardized format, making it easier to retrieve and process later. A user must enter all the fields before submitting, otherwise they will receive error messages alerting them of any missing fields or wrong format input. So if I was to put a number here and I do not fill anything else, I try to submit, then the error messages will be displayed beside the fields. And if I was to submit a form with no mistakes, then the user will be directed to this confirmation page, which displays a thank you message. If they wish to make a new inquiry, then they can press this button and they'll be redirected back to the inquiry form. Onto the view page. The view page is only accessible to the admin. The admin can view all the inquiries that are stored in the database from.
I am Yushen and I'm in charge of contribute function. So in contribution page, user must log in before they submit the information. After user submits successfully, there will be a confirmation page that shows the details. If user submit the same information, there will be an error message that tells the user the contribute has been assisted to avoid spam. So inside the field page, admin can view the details of contribution and make some changes, such as they can edit the data from here, and the data inside the database will also be edited. Admin also can delete the data at this page.